decided to come here because we have a little bit of a gutter out the back there where the waves aren't breaking over it, so there's a bit of a hole there. So we'll cast into the front edge of that, because that's where bait will congregate, and that's where the mulloway will come. Rods are set, so now it's a case of waiting.
As you can see, the rods are still in the water. Actually, they've been here for about 3 hours.
But it just goes to show you should be prepared when you come out on one of these little expeditions, that you've got to be prepared to catch zilch.
But for Jack to learn a lesson, Jack has become our official windbreak, and we've got insurance, and we've got these beautiful packs, and it happens to be Coorong yellow mullet.
Oh, get out.
And a simple recipe, because we're very simple about things. We've got panko breadcrumbs, we've got Parmesan cheese, so we don't need salt. We've got garlic and chopped parsley, and our mate, my mate Mackie's just going to coat.
We might just say briefly though, we're in a howling gale here. It is quite amazing. Yes. Here we go.
Okay.
Now, this is Dijon mustard.
Yes. You can do this in the morning because it's great to put these fillets after you've crumbed them in the fridge to let it set, or even in the freezer the day before. So you could do a whole pile of these.
Yeah, see, I've done that one there.
Good boy.
Just look at that.
What a good boy. Press it in. Spread a bit more evenly on the fin.
Oh, steady.
Okay, there we are. Here we got sizzle, Mickey.
Oh, beautiful.
Bit more on the edge there.
And you know what would be fun with someone you're a bit, sort of wanted to play a practical joke with? Hot English mustard. Oh,
look at that.
In fact,
beautifully
pretty
crumbed.
quiet.
All right, next one, Mickey. I reckon we can put the whole lot in.
Right, here we go.
We've got sizzle on the edge.
Look at that. Edge.
Generously coated.
Generously coated.
There we are. Good boy.
Right.
Next one.
Another one.
Again, press
Michael,
it down.
this is so, you could use this what, on any fish?
Tommy Ruffs, anything. If we had mulloway, that
Jack,
elusive fish.
Mulloway, you keeping it on the rocks?
Jack.
I am, Michael.
Right.
If we had mulloway, that elusive fish, we could do goujons like this, and kids would love it. A goujon is like a fish finger. It's the French word for doing strips of fish, like a fish finger.
So you'd have Dijon on Dijon.
Dijon, goujon on Dijon. Okay, you ready? We're only crumbing one side.
Oh, that's cooking well, Mark.
There we are, we've done good,
Okay.
eh, Mickey?
Well done.
Keep,
And the wonderful thing about panko crumbs is that they're very inexpensive.
Yes.
And you can buy a packet, like for just a few dollars, put it in a jar, and it's always there. You don't have to worry about getting stale bread and making your own.
And the beauty about it is, as opposed to another fine crumb, it absorbs less soil and it looks far more wholesome. Wholesome.
It's wholesome.
Mickey, that's about 2 minutes, even in these gale force winds. So we're just going to tip them over. Look at that. We've got that lovely colour. There's still oil, so those still... Look at that. And that parsley...
Yes.
There we are. Look at that, Mickey.
Now, what's the name of that fish?
Mullet, the Coorong yellow mullet.
And what were we trying to catch?
Big mulloway, Mickey. Big.
No relation?
I wish there was. I wish there was. Okay, we'll let that sort of crisp up a bit. As we can see, there's still oil in the panko breadcrumbs. So when we can take them up, we'll drain them.
And we have a taster on.
We have it. I don't know whether we should reward him because...
Jack, do you like fish?
Oh, I don't mind fish at all.
Okay.
Good on you, Jack.
All right, Jack, you can be our taster.
Please
Sounds
do.
good to me.
All right.
Michael, I reckon they're ready.
Yeah, I'll turn off the heat. Okay, let me go, Mickey.
Just drain them off. We cook these in extra virgin olive oil, and they've come up a treat. Look at that, that's beautiful. Michael, I wouldn't complain about that.
No, there we are.
Look at that.
So there we have wind-protected yellow-eye mullet by Jack, who hasn't called us a mulloway. We'll call him No Mulloway Jack.
We're going to check out your credentials when we finish here, Jack.
Absolutely. Jack,